That dark wedge-shaped cloud racing towards you is often the storm's front door. It can look like a rolling wall across the sky, but in most cases it is not a tornado sign. It is a shelf cloud, and it tells you the storm's cold outflow is arriving. The process starts inside a thunderstorm, where rain and hail drag air downwards. As that air falls through precipitation, it cools. Cool air is denser than warm air, so when the downdraft reaches the ground, it spreads out sideways like water poured across a floor. That spreading pool of rain-cooled air is called outflow. Its leading edge is the gust front. As the gust front moves forward, it wedges underneath the warm, humid air sitting near the surface. The warm air has nowhere to go but up. When that air is forced to rise, it expands and cools. If it cools to its dew point, water vapor condenses into tiny cloud droplets. That line of fast-rising air becomes the visible shelf. This is why shelf clouds often sit low and stretch in a long horizontal band along the front of a storm or squall line. The shape comes from the battle between the air masses. The front edge can look smooth and sculpted because air is being lifted in a broad, organized sheet. Underneath, the cloud may look ragged, torn or boiling because cold outflow, warm inflow, falling rain, and turbulent mixing are all meeting in the same zone. Shelf clouds are part of a bigger cloud family called Arcus clouds. A shelf cloud stays attached to the storm base and has a wedge-like look. A roll cloud is usually more detached, shaped like a tube, and can appear to roll along its horizontal axis. Both show a boundary, but the shelf cloud is directly tied to the storm's advancing outflow. It is also important not to confuse a shelf cloud with a wall cloud. A shelf cloud forms on the leading edge of the storm, where cold air is pushing out. A wall cloud forms under the updraft base, often in the rain-free part of a supercell, where warm air is feeding in. Wall clouds are the feature more closely linked with rotation and tornado risk. Shelf clouds usually point to strong straight-line winds and heavy rain. If one is moving towards you, the gust front may reach you before the main rain core. Winds can suddenly increase, dust can blow ahead of the storm, and lightning may already be close enough to strike. Hail and very heavy rain can follow soon after. So the practical message is simple. Enjoy the view only from a safe place. If a shelf cloud is approaching, move indoors, secure loose outdoor items, and stay away from trees, sheds, power lines, and open fields. The cloud is a spectacular signpost, but the dangerous weather is the wind, rain, hail, and lightning that come with the storm behind it.